Welcome to a new video on my Raspberry Pi 2, which runs Ubuntu Linux as well as the robot operating system, which is not a real operating system but more a messaging and communication system connected to network cable, serial cable and a band cable. Serial cable to make easy connection via Minicom. You can also use PuTTY on Windows systems, but anyway, programmed in C++, connected to, via the band cable, some electronics and a fischertechnik LED, phototransistor and motor with propeller. Then via the computer I am also connected through VNC, which also goes for this old MacBook, which is because of defective backlight is connected to that monitor. So this is actually one of the 4 VNC desktops that I use. 2 on the other laptop, 1 over here and 1 over here, and yes, that is the light for some lighting, but this is an old Android tablet, and I should actually show what it should show, which is this. Another VNC desktop. 1 terminal over here for running the software or the node for this LED, and the rest is on my laptop, which is right here and which I will show further soon. Last time I made progress. Let's see if we made if the same progress is being continued. And by the way, this is an old webcam which I also use for handheld recording, and that is a very old webcam which only functions now as voice recorder when I record something on the Mac. Anyway, time for some software. So let's see. So this is the desktop that I kind of flashed you on during the introduction. Ready to run the nodes, control, motor and phototransistor. LED, the red LED I don't have active now. I can do that, of course. Let's see what is better. It doesn't matter really, but let me do this from the Mac for this time. So very short setting up, and then FT now red LED, go, and that should be running. I don't see any result as yet. Oh, that is because I don't have control running yet. And with control running I can start the motor, which you will see right away starting, and then the phototransistor, which is evidently necessary for my tests. Then on the tablet, which is right here, I will start the fischtechnik LED node, at least if it lets me. Yeah, something happens. And then I want the light to shine and respond. Right now it doesn't respond. It doesn't see anything right now, and while it doesn't see anything, this one should not do anything. So inside here, let me do it again. Yeah, it is the fischtechnik LED. And it says I hear 2 messages. Oh, that is right. That was the problem last time. I had result, but it took a very long time before I had something on. Before I had the good result in the terminal of the fischtechnik LED. And I already changed some timing. That didn't work out. So, what is the problem? What is the cause? Let's open another window. High enough or enough height, and certainly some length. And then open this one. A loop rate is in here, and I did put a loop rate in here, so that is not a problem. Loop rate sleep, yeah, I don't care. Here is no loop rate sleep, just a spin, and this is, I have ROS spin and ROS spin once. So what is the difference? That is a nice idea. Let's quickly find out and then have a solution. Alright, the difference is that spin calls spin once. So I changed the code to spin once. And now the difference is, of course, that I actually have to compile it. And I have to compile this one. So let's quit this one. This is FT LED, correct. And I did have to kill the node on the tablet because I want to compile. So that's what I'm going to do now. And for that to happen, let's go shortly to the screen on the Mac. So here on the Mac screen is the red LED running. What I did as I started it during the introduction, and this is to compile the FT LED. Hopefully it doesn't take very long. But you never know. So I'll cut this short and record when and you can see here that it has successfully built. No errors given, so I can now successfully, hopefully, start the node on the tablet. I can just let run this one, and I can let run everything else as well. Just hopefully this is a time saver. If not, I have to unfortunately look further, because this is all for speeding up the time. And then I'm not even doing something about that the LED doesn't shine when the lamp isn't on. Let's see. Okay, back to this screen, and paying attention to particularly, okay, away with the light, particularly this one. I don't know exactly how I can focus, but I only have to press enter. No. I have to select and then press enter. That should invoke I don't see anything happen except that I entered, and that's it. So using the lamp to shine here, why is this not working? That was not the idea. Keyboard. Okay, this is not cooperating. Okay, when you think you've done something right, this happens. And needless to say, this is pretty annoying. I need a keyboard. Okay, let me put down the camera. Now I have this one, and go. And it doesn't do a thing. Absolutely nothing. Now that is irritating. That means that I somehow made a mistake in coding, apparently. The question is though, what? Okay, I am going to change here in this terminal. Spin once, and I go to back to spin, because and that's not good. Apparently I made a mistake there. So on the Mac screen, cat can make again. Waiting for it to end. Shouldn't take long. And yes, I can show. Okay, it just finished. So let's go back to tablet and try again. And this time it does. Okay, so it has to be here, this has to be spin, not spin once. Very clearly. Which brings me also to the red LED, which works right now. And the fact that it didn't work was wiring here. So let's see if we can get it to work right now. Somehow I doubt it. Left on this part of the screen you can see it, whatever happens. And right now it doesn't cooperate at all. And given the time, with this output, I'll have to look further. And I think this is a better view. Anyway, things don't always cooperate, but that may be clear. How to go on? That's a good question. Maybe change this spin once into spin as well. Spin and spin once have to do with the callback, which is this is a callback, and here I have two callbacks. So that's for next time. So with FT-LED not quite the way I want it. It's not even blinking anymore while it's running. But that will be another wiring issue, I'm afraid. And then, well, the screen with the circuit. Of course, the circuit itself, Raspberry Pi, that one. And on the Mac, which is not really on the Mac, but on the Raspberry Pi as well. But you get the idea. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Always appreciate it. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support my blog by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website with my videos. This is going to be continued. So have a nice day and bye bye.